Alright guys, so in this video I want to review my bike. This is the Big Boy 2024 150cc cargo 4-stroke, and I want to review this bike here. This one's locked. It's where I'm fetching the bike. Go stay on that side. Just gonna be driving the bike around. We're gonna be watching you. Yeah. Hey guys, so when you look at the bike, I got the white one because that's the only one they had. But usually I saw some other people having the red exterior as well as the orange one, but mine is the white one because that's what they have in stock. So this is then the left side of the bike, and this is the right side of the bike. On the left side, we can see the clutch because it is a manual, like you're gonna have to change it yourself. So we got the clutch, we got the gears. If you press here, let me just show you. If I just come to the side, so you're gonna climb on it from this side, and then you're gonna hold your clutch, and then you're gonna gear 1. So when you press down like this, that's gear 1. When you press this side, you go to gear 2, gear 3, and so forth. It ends up until gear 5. And then if you want neutral, make sure you're on 1, and then you tap like this. That will take you to neutral if you just make a light tap. So there's a difference. Gear 2, and then go back. That's neutral. And just up here, for this bike, in order to turn it on, I need to make sure that it's first on neutral. So as you can see, it's on neutral. Gear 1, neutral. Then I can turn it on. It has a engine kill switch here. So once it's like this, you can't start it at all. Doesn't start. But once you have this on, and then it's on. This is the accelerate. This is the head, the brake for the front wheels. Okay. And then okay, let's talk about the dashboard real quick. What we have here is a speedometer. It can go up until 140. We got over here the gear. I don't know if you guys saw, but I can change gears here. That's gear 1. I can change, go back to neutral, and so forth. Then we got I said speedometer. This is the rev count, and then you only have like, what is it? Probably like the battery temperature or something. I don't know. And then we got the bright. Then these are the indicators. So that's the display. Now let's zoom out. This is where you plug in your key, right? So it does have a lock, but in order to lock it, you have to like tilt the bike, and then you can lock it. See? Now you can't drive it anymore, and you can't even roll it. Right now I can because I have the gear on neutral, but if I do this, right, put it on gear 1, right, now it's on gear 1, I lock it, you can't vibe with it anymore. Okay, so it won't be able to move. You can't roll it anymore. All right, so come through. This is the bell. These are the indicators. As you can see, the indicator here is switched on. Unfortunately, it does not have hazards. I don't know why they did that, but there's no hazards on this. And this is the fuel tank here. You just open this thing, use the key, and then you turn it up. Then you can open it up. That's the fuel. Then make sure you close it up nicely every single time. Whew, smells like petrol, obviously. All right, so what else am I forgetting? This is the start. This is where you start it. So let me make sure it's on neutral again, because mine does not switch on if I don't have it on neutral. And then, okay, sorry, the engine. You just press here, and then it's on. Left count, brake, mirrors. All right, then these are the lights. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The lights are on. You can just show the people there in the front. Right. So lights on, and then brightness. All right. It also has a little switch that you can flicker here. If you just want to temporarily have brightness, you can just flicker over here. But yeah, so that's everything that comes with the bike. Let's come to the side. I'll just show you real quick. That on this side, we got the brake for the back. We also got the exhaust. And we also got this thing, this lever. You use it if you want to jumpstart the bike. So something like this. Alright. So this is to jumpstart the bike. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it that we have from this side. Um, However, I do want to add one more thing. Just come around this side. All right, all right. Just zoom in here. I want to show you. Oh, by the way, this lever over here is for reserve gas. So if I have it like this, like I can have the reserve gas back on. Also, I forgot to mention. Just come up here to the screen. We also have the fuel gauge. This is the fuel gauge over here to tell you how much petrol you actually have. And that's the kilometers that I've driven this bike for. 2,237. What I forgot to talk about is the USB charging port. You must have a USB cable so that you can plug it in here like that, and then you'll be able to charge your phone. Yeah, so this is the one thing that I forgot to talk about. But yeah, it does have a USB charging port here, as you can see. All right, let's go here. It's this side. I want to show you this lever here. A lever here that sometimes in the morning when it's very cold, you must make sure that this lever is way up so that you can start the bike, let it warm up a bit, and then you can bring this lever down so that you can continue driving. I don't know what exactly it's for, but yeah, they just told me that if you can't start it in the mornings, make sure this lever is up, then start the bike, and then you can let it heat up. Once it heats up, you can then bring that lever down. I can't find it now. Uh, there we go. You can bring it down like that. All right, so that is the bike, and then we got the seats. Obviously, since I have this thing here, uh, this was complimentary from where I bought it. Okay, license disc. All right. Yeah. So yeah, just make sure you have a helmet if you want to drive this bad boy.